This is Iberostar Beach, the lobby, which is actually quite grand. I can hear them making cocktails. This resort is comprised of 3, so we're going to visit all 3 today. This is a great lobby if you want to escape from the heat. It's air conditioned, and look at the pool tables. Sit and relax and have a drink, read a book, or go outside.
These rooms are start from standard views, ocean views to ocean front. Different with the ocean front rooms, they're facing the front of the ocean versus the ocean views. They're along the angle of the ocean. You realize there's a new shape of the hotel. Right here is the view of a slight view.
Cajun jambalaya. I bet you that's delish. One day out of each week of your stay, they have a barbecue on the beach, so you can have all kinds of good things but still be in your bathing suit. Ocean looks lovely.
Iberostar Rose Hall Suites Hotel. What you're looking at now is the Lobbies Steakhouse. During the day, this is open as a lunch buffet, but in the night, reservation only for dinner. You look to your left or your right, you're standing. You see this location is commonly used for weddings. Iberostar is famous for hosting 1 wedding per day per resort. In all other resorts, they do 2 or 3 weddings in a day.
2 wedding coordinators, right?
Well, we have a wedding coordinator, and it's all based on availability. So I'm going to have a look on the outside to get the general view.
This is the lobby of Iberostar Suites. Very impressive. This is the junior suite. 2 vanities, hair dryer, makeup mirror, tub, and shower.
Hey, are they all sweet? So this room can sleep up to 4 persons, 2 adults, 2 kids comfortably. In the sofa bed you can have 2 big kids like myself maybe.
So maximum.
We do offer in-room dining. It's 24 hours. Anytime you want, there's a set menu here for your room service.
They're really big.
Very big balconies.
Ooh, look at all the treats. Donuts, banana loaf, croissant, beautiful cookies.
Not recent.
Just the lipstick and makeup and setting. Sauce.
Snorkeling, we're gonna do that with your diving center, and you have your general swim up bar.
This is Rose Hall Suites, family friendly.
You have the Asian, the gourmet, the steakhouse, the Mediterranean, and the Italian.
We are now at the Iberostar Rose Hall, which is the third property, and it is adult only, very luxurious. Beautiful bar. Nothing like a martini and a donut.
Hello.
Hello.
You have coffee here too?
Yeah. I think those are even more.
Our Prestige Lounge. Upgrading alcohol. Selection of wine. Pool table. Lovely.
Mine and this does not kind of.
No, this is actually an arrival room, so this is stocked for.
This is a standard room.
Yes, that's
2
why
double
you see
beds.
the basket and the wine.
Nice bedside lighting. A
But the mini bar
settee.
setting is a general setting.
Do they also
Bottle of
come
wine
with king
waiting.
beds or just 2 doubles?
Yeah, we have king beds and 2 doubles. But no
Large
pull-out
balcony
sofa.
with a
It's maximum
swing.
2
How
per
lovely
room.
is that? What a spacious balcony. Beautiful.
The mini bar I like. Lots of snackies.
Let's see. Oh, they've got peanuts and Pringles, coffee maker, chocolate, and here is the bath. Beautiful. Shower with a waterfall shower head. Very nice.
Okay. Yeah.
Beautiful beach.